Welcome back, people. Just a quick video today. I'm just going to set a stone into this male ring. Not sure if you can see it nice and clear. I don't know how to set this camera up to get good things. It's a cloudy, rainy day today, windy. Anyway, I've got that ring and I've got two stones. I'll just get this camera around to the wheel and be easier for me to show you the stones. So I can get it round. Not sure if you see the colour of it or not. Ooh, I dropped him. Anyway, I'll get him on the dob stick and it'll be a bit easier to probably show you then. I'll just leave the stone in here. I normally just give it a bit of a heat up while it's in there. And didn't stick, it's too cold. Wax gets pretty hot, sticks to your fingers a bit. I normally wet my fingers a little bit. Have another go. There's one dobbed up. So I've got two stones to cut. I'll try and, or not to cut, I've just got to get them down a little bit so it'll fit into the ring cradle. So I'll put him down there. Hopefully that'll stay there. All they need, they just won't sit. I've cut them a while ago and I've got a ring there, and all they need is a bit of a edge around the setting edge, you could say, just so it'll pop in there. Just a slight cut. So we'll give that a go. Be on the 1200 wheel. turn the water on. Come off the dobs. Try and finish it off. It's only a small stone, so it's very hard if you try and do it with your fingers. But I'll give it a go. Stone there. A little bit more. Lost it. Oh, it might be gone forever. Do lose the odd stone. Flicks out of my tray. Can't see where it's gone to. I'll get this back in a tick, try and turn this off and find it. Welcome back. No, I couldn't find that stone. She's gone. This one's coming off the dob stick. Cold weather. Doesn't like cold weather. I'll try and do him with my fingers without losing the stone. This is the other one. Probably should be using the sandpaper. Old school. have lost the odd stone. 2 or 3 months later I seem to find it. Can't really see where it would have flicked out. Normally lose them while I'm polishing them, not so much cutting them. But it's only a small stone, so not sure where it's got to. It's pretty blue too. Fits in well now. I'll try and get you over to have a look. Right, switch the camera over. I can. No, doesn't want to let me. Wet hands. I'll just stop it and try and switch. That's it now. That's the stone I just cut. Hopefully you'll see the colours. I just put it in there to make sure it fits into the cradle or whatever you'd like to call it in the ring. And I just got to put the prongs over, or just straighten the stone up a bit. It's not quite level. I don't know where the other stone went in my tray here somewhere. I'll get a cloth in there and give it a wipe out and see what happens. But anyway, I got 2 of these rings, and I thought I'd finish cutting off them 2 stones to finally fit in it, but one's gone. What a shame. I'll just sit him back here where I won't lose that one. Alright, only a short video, so might do another cut a bit later on, going prospecting in a week, so gold prices are up, so I've got to try and get a bit of gold. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, as they say. And I'll try and give a subscriber giveaway at 1,000 subs, if I ever get there. Alright, cheers. Welcome back, people. That stone I was cutting, couldn't find it. But the other one I ended up cut well. Now I'm just going to set it into this ring. I'll just get this light over here a bit better for me to see. Hopefully that'll be alright. Not too bright for you people. It's got a little bit of finger marks on it. Anyway, try and drop him in there. Oh, pretty hopeless of that. Might try the pliers. Maybe turn this around this way. I'm normally just use a toothpick to square him up. Try and have a good look around. No. We're getting shreds from somewhere. What's that look like now? I generally try and have a look all the way around. She's up a little bit high here. Looks pretty well perfect there. The trick is just to bring the prongs in slowly without moving the stone. Wow, just moved it with the pliers. Let's have another look. See that it's setting nice and flat and square. Maybe just drop down there. Well, here we go again. Ooh. All fingers today. Shocking. How level will that be? Oh, this is what happens. No, I'll have to. He's gone a bit too far. Take him back a touch. Level the stone off. Just slipped. Pliers slipped. Oh, that might be. What's that look like? Nice and level. Pretty good. We'll go again. Come loose in the holder. Normally everything I make's for sale. So if anyone likes anything or would like something set, a ring or a pendant, just let me know. I've got a lot already done. Just checking if it's square. A little bit more on this one. Let's check if it's tight. No, still a bit loose. You can sometimes jiggle them about, you'll hear if it's a bit loose, so it wants a bit more. It's tight now. So sure if you can see the colours in that. Well, that's that one done. Let's bring you around here, it may be a bit better if I get you in the light. There's a few of my opals I have. I'll just get the phone out of the holder here if I can without upsetting it and or turning yours off. Might be a bit better. I'll take this ring out of the holder now. Swap hands over. Well, that's the ring. Fortunately, I didn't find that stone that I lost. Maybe worse with being under the light, I'm not sure. Get the light up a bit higher. Try and have a play and see if I can make it look better if I zoom in and hold it further away. I'm not sure about the settings on these phones and that. It's coming in closer, bringing the phone in closer. I don't think it makes that much difference, but I'll zoom out again. Well, that's a few of the stones I've got here that I've got. Some more over here. Try and get that light around on them. A few nice stones I've cut there. It's just a matter of setting them in the jewellery. This one's a nice one here, but it's real directional. It is. So lights up like a light. Does. Alright then. I'll get yours back next time I have a cut or when I'm prospecting. Ooh, dropped him. All fingers today. Fingers and thumbs. I wish I knew how I could set this phone up, but I'll take a photo of it and it might show it a bit better in the photo. There's a couple of black opals there. Another one over here. These two are nice, these black opals here. I'll try and get them up to the light a bit for you. Not sure if you can see the colours or not. Here's another black opal here. This one here. It's 4.7 carat. Alright, well, don't forget, like, subscribe. I'll comment if you like. If you're interested in buying anything, just shoot me a message and I can send you some photos of what I have. Alright, cheers, and catch you next video. Just try and show you this ring through me magnifying glass. I don't know whether it focused properly. Try and maybe you'll see it better. Oh, dropped him. And there's the other one I done too. Try and see if it'll focus in on it. That's through the magnifying setup. This is without. Back under the magnifying. How can I get it? Some people can seem to get their cameras to focus real good. I wouldn't have a clue how to do that. But that's the ring there. 925 silver with a gold rim around the stone. Try and get that other one off the floor. Very similar stones. Oh, that might be focusing a bit better. So that's two rings, male rings. If anyone's interested, they're adjustable, so they'll fit any finger. Let's try and show you that a bit. So try and very nice ring. Might even keep one for myself. I'll just try and slip it on all the way. So can't get it right up with one hand. But anyway, you can see that's the pair of them. Get the other one up against it if I can. Rightio, like, subscribe. Anyone wants any jewellery, just let us know. I'll even make some for you if you want a certain colour stone in a pendant, or I've got a good variety of pendants. Still got a good variety of rings. If anyone's interested, I could take some photos of the pendants and you can choose a stone. If I got a stone the right size, I'll fit it in. I don't mind cutting a bit of the stone away, but I don't like losing, you know, a quarter of a stone and things like that if that, unless people are willing to pay. All right, catch us later. Like, subscribe.